Good day, everyone. I am Crisjane Quirante, and I'm going to discuss Chapter 4, Non-Cognitive Traits and Skills. What is non-cognitive traits and skills? Non-cognitive skills cover a range of abilities such as conscientiousness, perseverance, and teamwork. These skills are critically important to student achievement, both in and beyond the classroom. So they form a critical piece of workers' skill sets which comprise cognitive, non-cognitive, and job-specific skills. Almost all discussions of non-cognitive skills include an explanatory list of example traits: persistence, self-discipline, focus, confidence, teamwork, organization, seeking help, staying on task, and so on. It implies feelings and emotions and intuition when we're talking about something more and cognitive. So it is more on non-intellectual or non-cognitive side, such as the attitude of the students towards teaching and learning process. Non-cognitive skills refer to a set of skills that fall outside of traditional definitions of intelligence but still allow individuals to contribute meaningfully to society and to achieve success. So example of this is the critical thinking skills, the social skills that were really related to the society, and also persistence and creativity and many more. Non-cognitive skills are critical because studies shows that non-cognitive skills in students are significant predictors of positive outcomes in adulthood, including employment, likelihood of incarceration, mental health, substance abuse, and education. So, in addition, other studies shows that students that has higher levels of non-cognitive skills are more likely to engage in political activities and voting as adults. Non-cognitive or soft skills are related to motivation, integrity, and interpersonal interaction. They may also involve intellect, but more indirectly and less consciously than cognitive skills. Soft skills are associated with an individual's personality, temperament, and attitudes. So these skills are more becoming important these days as trends like automation. Automation skills shift to compete this fast evolving society or this fast evolving labor markets. Almost all discussions of non-cognitive skills include an explanatory list of example traits. So these are the examples of non-cognitive traits, which is the persistence, the self-discipline, focus, confidence, teamwork, organization, seeking help, staying on task, and so on. So we can see this in most of the students. So as we all know, we have diverse students, so they have different attitudes towards teaching and learning process. So how do you develop non-cognitive skills? In completing daily assignments and turning in homework, for instance, students acquire self-discipline by participating in extracurricular activities such as sports. Students are also develop resiliency. So through this means, then we are developing the non-cognitive skills and traits of the students. These are the two examples of non-cognitive skills. So I mentioned it earlier, the focus and the confidence. First is the focus. So it refers to the focus of the students on the discussion of the teachers. So there are students who has this trait in which they are really focusing on studying and focusing on learning. So in discussion, they focus themselves on the discussion done by a teacher. They are participating on the activities, and also they most likely get higher grades because they are focusing more on studying. And for confidence, there are also students who has a high confidence, or they're really confident enough to participate in the discussion inside the classroom setting. So this trait is really important for students, especially those who are education students, because so that they can share their ideas, their insights, and they can actively participate on the discussion and the task given by the teacher. Here are the references of my presentation. So that ends my discussion. Thank you and God bless.